In this video, I rent a CB500X to ride north of Chiang Mai on the Samoeng Loop.
There are twists and turns and dips and rises.
I visit the Mae Sa Cave.
It smells like weed in here.
The Mae Sa Waterfall.
This here is the real destination of the day.
And the most popular restaurant in the Kingdom of Thailand.
Oh yeah, 7 baby.
Follow me for weekly new videos as I explore the world and document my experiences of food, travel, and culture.
I'm about 10 kilometers north of Chiang Mai, and today I'm headed out on the Samoeng Loop. It's about a 3-hour motorcycle ride. I just turned off the road that shot north out of Chiang Mai, and as soon as I took a left onto this main loop, the roads got empty, curvy, freshly paved, perfect for motorcycles, great for this bike that I rented, the Honda CB500X. Honda's version of a BMW GS, a big torquey bike, really great out here on the open road. I've got the road mostly to myself. There are a few passing cars and bikes. This is shaping up to be a really great ride. If I can only remember to stay on the left-hand side of the road, this is Thailand, then I should be in good shape. These roads are super curvy, and these Thai people drive really fast. Even the people on the little 125 motorbikes are flying. This is the Samoeng viewpoint, and there's not much of a view today from the viewpoint, as you can see, or not see, I guess I should say. I would suggest you Google this place to come up with the beautiful images that are possible here when it's not burning season. That is not fog. That is not a marine layer. We are very, very far inland. That is the result of burning season. That's the result of Thai farmers and farmers in Myanmar burning their rice fields to reset the crops for the coming year. I could just feel the carcinogens coursing through my respiratory system as I speak. This place is not for the asthmatic, I've got to say that. Plenty of local friends say they get nosebleeds on an annual basis because of this stuff, but even if I can't see the view from the viewpoint, I am enjoying the ride. This really is like a MotoGP track through the mountains. There are twists and turns and dips and rises and blind corners, and it's pretty exhilarating. Not for the beginner motorcycle rider. I feel like I'm in over my head because I haven't been on a bike in a couple of years. I've only been on the motorbikes riding around the beach cities. So real joy for me to be out here on the bike. It's like a racetrack through the mountains. I'm in, I guess what you would call Samoeng Central, and not much out here in this little strip of a city, but roosters and random roadside restaurants. So I'm gonna grab breakfast at my favorite franchise in Thailand. Oh yeah, 7 baby. Okay, I'm headed up into one of the Mae Sa caves here, and I'm feeling like a rather fashion-forward archaeologist. I've got my cave light. All right. It smells like weed in here. I think someone has been smoking. See this haze here? Oh, it's palpable. It's like you can cut through this haze with a knife. I think it's the burning season haze. Yeah, look at that. Woo. Wow, that is thick. Oh, there's a bat. I see a couple bats flying around in here. This would be a very cool place for a rave party. Whoa. This statue here, this figure, is a tribute to a monk that used to live in the cave as a hermit. I'm gonna do homie a solid here and light him some incense.
The twists and turns of that motorcycle ride made it quite a workout, and wearing the full protective gear, which I highly suggest on that road, makes it quite a sweaty affair. So I am more than happy to end my day on this loop here at the Mae Sa Waterfall. This here is the real destination of the day. If you were going to do this ride, I would take the loop clockwise, so that you end up here, because if you're looking at the loop on the map, this would be on the right-hand side of that clockwise movement, about 25 minutes outside of Chiang Mai. It's a short ride back to the city from here. This would be a perfect spot to end your day with some cold beers and a picnic. I hope you enjoyed the video. I do appreciate you watching, and I will see you in the next one. Alright, อร่อยครับ